to Tosca Restaurant. How may I help you?
Hello, good afternoon to you too. Could I see the menu first, please?
Of course. Here is our main menu for today.
Okay, thank you. Are there any special today?
Yes, there are. Today's special is roasted beef with creamy melted cheese.
That sounds delicious. In that case, I'll have that.
Is there anything else to add?
Could I also order a diet soda and a tart for dessert, please?
Okay, thank you for your order.
Thank you for waiting. Here is your order. Enjoy!
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, could I see my bill, please?
Of course.
That will be 150,000 rupiah. Okay, here's the money. Thank you for dining at our restaurant. You're welcome. Next, I will explain 10 food products and 10 non-food products that are commonly found in supermarket. First, the 10 food products in supermarket. 1. Biscuit. There are snacks that can be found on the biscuit aisle. 2. Milk. A healthy calcium-rich drink found on the milk aisle and also in the refrigerated section. 3. Instant noodles. An instant food that's easy to prepare, found on the special instant noodle aisle. 4. Chips. Snack food that can be found on the dedicated snack aisle. 5. Chocolate. A sweet treat that is widely loved, found on the chocolate aisle or near the cashier. 6. Fresh vegetables such as spinach, lettuce, and other fresh vegetables found on the special fresh vegetables aisle. 7. Fresh fruits like apples, oranges, grapes, avocados, and more found in the special fresh fruit section opposite the fresh vegetables aisle. 8. Cooking spice including instant spice, soy sauce, bread, and other found on the special cooking spice aisle. 9. Ice cream, a cold and refreshing food found in the freezer or refrigerator. 10. Drinks, juice, soda, cola, tea, and coffee found in the beverage section. And then I will explain about 10 non-food products commonly found in supermarkets. 1. Dish soaps. This is soap used for cleaning dirty dishes, and it can be found on the dish soap aisle. 2. Shampoo. A product for cleaning hair from on the dedicated hair care aisle. 3. Baby diapers. Disposable baby diapers that can be found on the special diapers aisle. 4. Talon oil. A special oil for babies that can be found on the baby supplies aisle. 5. Hand and body lotion. Lotion for hand and body that can be found on the body care aisle. 6. Tissues. Disposable paper wipes that can be found on the tissue aisle, including special tissue, toilet paper, and wet wipes. 7. Detergents. A cleaning product for clothes and can be found on the laundry care aisle. 8. Toothpaste. A tooth cleaner that can be found on the dental care aisle. 9. Skincare. special skincare product that can be found on the skincare aisle. 10. Makeup, beauty product that can be found on the makeup aisle. That's all for my explanation about 10 food product and 10 non-food product. I apologize if there are any mistakes, and thank you for your attention and goodbye.